Welcome to Classic Bakes. We're excited to share 7 surprisingly diabetic-friendly Caribbean dishes you absolutely need to try. Caribbean food is known for its incredible flavor and vibrant traditions, but did you know many dishes can easily fit into a diabetic-friendly diet? We're going to dive into 7 delicious Caribbean dishes that are surprisingly healthy and perfect for managing blood sugar. From savory stews to flavorful seafood, these options maintain the authentic taste you love while offering great nutritional value. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. First up is Edo's Tal Curry. Edos are a fantastic root vegetable, low in fat and packed with fiber, making this an excellent diabetic-friendly meal. Next, we have Pigfoot Sauce. This refreshing dish is served chilled in a tangy, low-fat broth, making it a surprisingly light and healthy choice compared to heavier Caribbean stews. Trinidad pepper shrimp is rich in protein and low in carbs. Shrimp is a lean source of protein and simple seasoning keeps it healthy. Sancocho is a robust, satisfying soup. By focusing on lean meats and high-fiber vegetables, sancocho provides essential nutrients without spiking blood sugar. Traditional Trinidad dumplings can be made diabetic-friendly by substituting refined flour with whole wheat flour, offering more fiber and a lower glycemic index. Chicken foot sauce is another variation of sauce, offering great collagen for joint health and served in the same refreshing low-carb liquid base. Finally, we have Jamaican escovitch fish. This dish is rich in lean protein and typically served with pickled vegetables, making it a delicious and healthy choice. Who knew Caribbean dining could be so healthy? These dishes prove that managing your diet doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or tradition. We encourage you to try these delicious options and explore more healthy recipes at classicbakes.com. Happy and healthy cooking!